You eat your ice cream funny. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It still hurts.
It lasts a lot longer that way, doesn't it, Darby? You eat ice cream? What is it? Cream. Uh-huh, ice cream. Good, huh?
Mama.
Second Piper.
What did you say? What did you say?
I said just a minute. Your sister's being silly.
Not funny.
That is funny.
Mama, can I have another ice cream?
No, I don't live next to a Dairy Queen. This is our ice cream lunch day. Fun day with Mommy, huh? We've been to the splash pad and played, and now we're eating ice cream. Is it good, Darby? Is it good? Yeah?
Yeah.